Hello guys, Arfan is here. In this video we are talk about WordPress plugin which is custom post type UI. So with the help of custom post type UI, as you can see that we added this theme post type, and here you can see that we can customize all the level. As you can see, add new member. Here we can add name like Jack, also add description, and also if you notice, you can add member position, like I want this Jack is higher positional member of our company. And also you can see that we have a profile picture, so let's upload the profile picture. And as you can see and notice, all of our level which is according to our team member, as you can see its profile picture. If I publish, here you can see that team member published. So all of this thing we will see in this video with a closer look of our WordPress plugin which is custom post type UI. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and let's enjoy the show. So as you can see that I'm in my WordPress dashboard, and so first of all what we need to know is what is custom post type or what is post type. So post type is actually, as you can see that in the blog post, it is a post type. In by default WordPress have this post type which is blog post, and as you can see that in the post we can add new post or delete our older post, and also we can add taxonomies like categories and tags. And for this post type, for this blog post, in the front end we have two pages. First one is the archive page. As you can see that in this archive page all our blog post is listed. So for now, as you can see, we have already two uploaded posts, and in the archive page we can see that those two posts. So whenever I click one to see more, and we are now in a new page which is single post page. So in this page we can see that all the details of the post, and this page is called single post page. So as you can see that we have two pages for the post type which is our blog post. So for this blog post type we have two pages, actually two types of pages, which is first one is archive page and second one is single page, which is blog single page for this one. So also WordPress have a page options which we can add our new page and delete our page. It's also a post type. So WordPress have by default with this post type. So if you want to add new post type, something like team members, where you can add your new team members and delete or your old team members, so that will be fine. So for that what we need to do is we need to go to the plugin and add new. We need to search a plugin called custom post type. So here is the plugin, as you can see that. So install the plugin and activate it. So here as you can see that we have a new item in our WordPress menu which is CPT UI. So in this menu let's click add or edit post type. So here as you can see that we can add our new post type. So for that, first of all what we need to do, we need to add a slug for our post type. So for that I will add team members. So after that we need to add level. So we need to add two kinds of level. So first one is the plural. So for the plural I will use the, so for the plural I use this one, and for the singular I use singular one. So after that click add post type. Now if you notice, you can see that we have a new post type in our menu which is team members. So if I click, now you can see that we can add new team members if we want. So let's add some team member here. So let's say CIFAR, and in the description, let's come here and copy this lorem ipsum and paste it here and publish it. So if you wanna visit this post type, what you can do is, if I come here all post type and view this post type, so as you can see that now we are in this post type. So if you notice the URL, you can see that it's saying your website name, after that your post type slug, which is set as team members, and after that the post. Yes, you can see that our post title is CIFAR and the slug is also CIFAR, so that's why it's saying the CIFAR here. So that's our single post type. So let's add one more post here in our team member. So let's add another team member, so let's say orphan, and also paste the same lorem ipsum. So if I publish and come here and also all team member and visit the orphan member, so as you can see that we have these two member in our website. So as you can see that that's all our team member, and so we are seeing now is single page for the team member post type. So that's all for the single page. So how we can see our archive page for this team member post type? So for that, what we need to do, we need to come to our custom post type UI and we need to edit our team members. So let's go to the edit post type and select our team members. So here what you need to do, I need to come to the down below and looking for an option called something has archive. So by default it's saying that's false. So what you need to do, we need to say it true. So if I say it true and save the post type, so now our post type has the archive. So for showing the archive, what I can do, I can remove the last part of our URL and say that our URL and the post type slug, and as you can see that now we are in our archive page, and this archive page is for team members, and in this archive page as you can see that we have two of our team member as we added here. Okay, so if I come to the team members and all team members, we have these two team members, and here are those. So if I click read more, and we will see the details page. So that's our single page and that's our archive page. So that's not, so for that what we need to do, we need to remove our last part and come here, and that's our archive page. So let's also add this archive page in our menu. So for that what we need to do, I need to go to the appearance menu. So for some reason we can't see the option for the archive of our team member. So what we can do now is we can come into our front end and come to the customize. So in here we just come to the menu or just clicking here. So here you can see that we are in the main menu, and that's our menu. So let's come here and edit the menu and add a new items. So if I come here and add a new items, as you can see that we have our custom post type which is team members, and if I come here and as you notice it's saying that post type archive. So if I click to add it, we can see that we have a post type archive, and if you want we can change the level. So let's say only team. Okay, so that's fine. So if I publish and close that, now you can see that that's our team archive page. Whenever I click, that's our team archive page as we can see it for our blog. So that's our team, and if I say read more, and that's our single. So if I come here and if I go to the post type and edit the post which is our existing post, And here if you notice, you can see that we have a by default a pin icon. So if you wanna edit or remove this icon or add a new icon to this post type, what you can do, you can scroll down, and here in the last scroll down, and here you can see that we have an option for menu icon. So we can use dash icons from WordPress. So in the Google, search for dash icons, and here you can find some icons for your WordPress. So let's find a user icon. So I think this one will be fine. So in the user icon, just copy this name and come to the post type, and in the menu icon just paste the name and update the post type. So as you can see that we have a new icon for our team members. So that's fine. So let's open it, our team members post type in a new tab. So let's edit it. So for the first one, as you can see that menu name, we can give it a custom menu name for our WordPress dashboard. So let me say, if you don't want the full name, said team members, I just want to the team. So what I need to do is I need to say that it will be the team for the menu. So if I say post, as you can see that our level is now team only. So you can customize it from here. And as you can see that all items, which means if I come here, you can see that all team members. So you can also customize this level. So for the add new, we are saying there's only add new. So what I need is, we can say that it will be add new member. So if I save now and come here, as you can see that it's now in add new member. So that's fine. So after that, you can see that add new item. So what is that? If I come here, you can see that we have now add new member. So that's what is controlling this. So as you can see that you can add different kind of level. So as you can see, edit, for the edit item, you can say that add team member or edit team member. So for the new item, you can say that new team member. So that's how it is worked. So as you can see that not found. So for that, if I come here and say that I want to delete all of our post from here, so as you can see that here in by default it's saying that no team member found, team members found. So if I come here and say that, if I say that test and not found, so if I save and come here and refresh, so whenever it will be none or not found, it will put the level if I give here. So that's fine, no team member found is fine. So we can keep it like that, and let's restore all of our team member. So if I come here, and as you can see, so let's edit the team member. So let's also add a featured image. So set feature image. If I update, now you can see that we have featured image. So if you want to customize or edit this level feature image, like I want it like profile picture, so for that what I can do is I can go to the edit post type and edit post type, and here you can see that we have a option for our feature image. So let's say profile picture, and if I save, now if I come here and refresh, now you can see that it's saying that's profile picture. It's no more featured image, it's now profile picture. So also as you can see that remove feature image, you can also edit or remove that. So here as you can see, after feature image you can see that remove feature image. So let's say remove profile picture. So save it, and if I come here and refresh, now you can see that it's saying that remove profile picture. So that's looking fine. And also let's add profile picture for the another member. Now it's saying that profile picture, and here is you can see that it's saying that set feature image. So also we can change it. So come here, and here you can see that we have an option for set feature image. So let's say upload profile picture, and come here and refresh, and now you can see that it's saying profile picture, and here you can see that upload profile picture. So you can upload profile picture. So let me upload another picture. So here it is. So that's looking fine. So if I save, now you can see that post updated. Okay, so if you wanna change it like that, team member updated, so how can we do that? So for that, let's go to the edit, and here if I scroll down, you can see that it's saying that item updated. So what I can do is like team member updated, and if I hit save and refresh, now if I update, now you can see that team member which is updated. So if I come here and say updated, so that will be fine. Now it's saying that team member updated. So you can customize it totally as you want. Everything is customizable. So if I hover to our blog post, you can see that we have taxonomy like categories or tags. You can also add taxonomy to your post type, which is for now our team. So let's add a custom taxonomy to our post type. So for that, what I need to do is I need to go to the add or edit taxonomy. So here for the taxonomy, first of all I need to give it a slug. So for the slug, let's say position. So for the plural, I will give it same, and singular I will also give it same. And for which post type you want this custom taxonomy, so for it I will select team members, because I want this position taxonomy for only team member. So if I add taxonomy, now if I hover it, now you can see that we have a new taxonomy called position. So if I click, and here we can add our position taxonomy. So let's taxonomy add high, let's say high position. Sorry, not that. And also add another one, low position. So we have two position. So let's also add our team members to this taxonomy. So if I come to our team members, and here now you can see that we have a new option called position. So here let's say orphan high position member, and let's say CIFAR is low position member, and update. Now if I come to the position, now you can see that in the high position we have a one member, and in the low position we have also one member. So that's looking fine. So also in the taxonomy, you can edit the taxonomy level for as you want. So let's say in the team you want the customize this name. So what you can do is menu name. For that, let's say member position and save taxonomy. Whenever I will hover, now it's saying that member position. So that's looking fine. So also you can add so many things here. You can add everything, not found, if found. If I come to the post type and edit, so let me show you one more things here in the post type. So as you can see that when we publish our menu, so when we publish our post type, it's called post published. So if you want to edit that, you can do it saying that I want team member published. So I will also can do that, and all the things as you can see here. So you can use a description here, and also down here you can see bunch of settings. So for those settings, so those are the say public, it's public by default is true. If I give it false, it will be hidden from the menu, we can't see it. So also you can see that we have some REST API thing going on, which is very helpful for the development purpose. So if you are interested in development WordPress, so I will planning to make video about WordPress development, how you can use or make theme and plugin from scratch. So let me know in the down below in the comment section, so you want to see those video where we will talk about REST API, WordPress plugin development or something like that. So here as you can see that in WordPress code there is two kinds of taxonomy. So for now we need to say that we have a taxonomy, which is the position. If you want, you can say that category or tags also added for this post type. So now if I hover the post type, where is it? Yes, you can see that now we have a categories and also tags. So that's all for our custom post type, which you can, so by using custom post type you can add as many as you want custom post type in your WordPress. So that's the demo. If I come here, you can see that we have two person. It's looking ugly, I know, because we did not do any design for this archive page. You can design or you can edit this archive page as you want. You can also edit or design the single page, which is this one, if you want. So that's it for our custom post type UI. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress video, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, Khuda Hafiz.